Hello and welcome to Saint TV. First of all, we'd like to thank Saint TV partners who are playing a major role in this vision of helping other people. As of today, it was a good day for the woman with her 2 kids. With the help from Saint TV partners, it was now time for her to leave the streets. The crew was ready to take the woman to Masvingo to her relatives. However, the mission failed. She refused to go and had a change of heart. We tried to convince her for almost 1 hour, but we failed. After proper investigation, with the help from medical personnel, it was discovered she is not mentally stable. It's only the grace of God that she is managing to take care of 2 kids in her condition. The condition is getting worse as her son have a burn on his right leg. As Saint TV crew, with the information we gathered from her, we would be going to Masvingo and try to locate her relatives. She seems to remember where she comes from. With that information, we would take a leap of faith and go to Masvingo. The journey does not end here. Please stay tuned for more updates. From the Saint TV crew, we say much love.